For 6-2 lesson, you are going to learn about Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh painted many different kinds of flowers. The first thing you are going to do is to take a picture of a flower you find outside. You are then going to email yourself the picture that you took. I am going to go to my email. Here is my flower. I am going to download the picture. Okay. And I am going to copy and paste the picture right here. The question: how is it similar to the picture that Vincent van Gogh painted below, and how is it different? I am going to type my answer. They are both delicate looking. That is how they are similar, and they are different colors. That is how they are different. I am then going to watch the video on Vincent van Gogh. That is the lesson for 6-2.